Nakalimutan ko mag-breakfast, di ba? Pero parang hindi ako ginugutom kasi busog na ako sa views pala. Ah, it's so nice. Para siyang sa Grindelwald sa Switzerland. So, if you want something more affordable than Switzerland, dito na lang. Go to Milan, then train to Venice, and then take a day tour to the Dolomites. I did not know na Cortina was a part of it. Sobrang nasa news last month since dito nga yung 2026 Winter Olympics. My church. Nakalimutan ko mag-breakfast, di ba? Pero parang hindi ako ginugutom kasi busog na ako sa views pala. And alam mo, the thing with Europe is, hindi mo naman first time, pero every time nagpupunta ka dito, parang na-amaze ka pa rin. Kahit paulit-ulit na. Again, check the weather before you book a tour kasi dependent talaga sa weather yung experience. So 6 minutes walk daw yung Olympic Stadium from here. Look at that. Sobrang scenic. Kita nyo? Ganda. Ayan na yung Olympic Stadium. Pero closed daw siya. Sayang yung nilakad ko. Anyways, it was a good walk. Uy! Ganda rin pala nung view pabalik. Look.